Hi, my name is Carla and I've been with LivBay for 1.5 years. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So in today's video, we're going to be showing how to prep a client for a fill. So today we're going to be using some eye pads, mascara wand, lip wands, and some primer. So when I'm placing down the eye pads, I want to make sure I grab those bottom hairs, placing it down not too close to the eye waterline. I'm going to go in with some blue tape. This is our medical tape. It's a lot easier and not as harsh as any other tape. So I'm placing down some tape on top of the iPad just for those bottom hairs I wasn't able to grab with just the iPad. Not too close to the waterline. You want to make sure it's comfortable for your client. Okay, go ahead and close. Picking up the ends of the iPad and placing them a little lower just to make her a little bit more comfortable. Does that feel good? I'm going to go in with my lip wands and some primer, just putting a couple of dots in there, and then going in and just cleaning her lashes. I want to put one lip wand on top and one right underneath just to make sure I grab all those bases. I do use saline depending on my client. If I have a client with more oily skin or just some dirty lashes, I want to go in with primer because it is a little bit more stronger. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and grab my fan and just fan her out. While I'm doing that, I'm going to grab my mascara wand. I'm going to give her a good brush. The reason I'm brushing out her lashes, just want to make sure there's no tangles in there. Just gives you a good start. And that's just how you prep lashes. And just a reminder, you want to make sure you grab all those bottom lashes, make sure they're taped down. And when going in with the primer, you want to make sure you don't have too much primer, only because that will seep into the eyes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it brought a lot of value to you. Question for you, what's your favorite tape? Leave your comments down below and we'll see you at the next video.